potatoes.
This is too small. This might not last a week.
You wanna grab one more? Hi guys! Welcome back. Today is Sunday. Pupunta kami ng church ngayon and nandito ako sa sasakyan nagpapump. Kaya maririnig niyo yung motor ng pump ko, ano? Kasi nga, sabi ko kay Travis, hindi ako nagpump this morning. And kasi nagmamadali rin kami guys. Nagising kami medyo late. Kasi nga kagabi, midnight na kami natulog. So mga alauna na ako nakatulog siya. Midnight na talaga nakatulog. Tapos, ayun, medyo masakit din kasi kaya lang ako mag-pump. Tapos, dala naman namin yung cooler, yung mom cozy namin na cooler. Gusto ko talaga yun kasi perfect talaga siya para sa mga moms na nag-work. Tapos, nagpa-pump, ayun. Kaya, lagi ko siyang dala pag nasa work. So, ayun, pupunta kami ng church ngayon, guys. And then, after ng service, pupunta kami sa may car show para may pakita ko sa inyo. Gusto kong i-vlog siya para makita nyo rin yung car show nila dito. And then, ayun. So, hindi ko alam kung pupunta kami ng Whole Foods today. Are we going to Whole Foods?
Yeah, we might run over there.
Kasi para bilhan namin si Ellie ng vegetable niya or some fruits na pwede namin pa sa kanya ipakain. So, most of their stuff are organic, right? Most of their vegetables and
they're
sa Whole Foods.
Better made, they're healthier.
Are they expensive?
Yeah, they're a little more expensive, yeah, but typically when they're organic, or at least they say they are, they're made without they don't have any harsh chemicals on them, so, you know.
So, and then earlier we feathered the applesauce and she loves it.
Yeah, she ate a lot this morning.
Yeah. So, she ate the squash and then the applesauce that Travis pureed. Kasi it came from Michigan. So, my father-in-law sent us the fresh apple because, you know, in their backyard, meron mga apple. So, ayun guys. We'll see you later guys after ng service.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, tapos na ang service. Pupunta naman kami sa... Oh, you want there? Yeah, we can. Yeah. We're gonna go to the swing. Let's try. Okay. Try natin. First time ni Ellie dito.
So tiny.
Oh, yeah, that's so cute. Ellie! Oh! Wee! Wow, look at you! Eliana, look at mommy! Ala! Oh, she loves it. Yeah, look at her.
Here.
Yeah, you gotta hold it there. Oh, wala mo lang reaction, no? Ellie! Ellie! Oh, that's so cute.
Do we need one of these for the house?
Because we have a big tree. Eliana! Ellie! Eliana! Uy! Tuwan-tuwa ah.
Ellie!
Tuwan-tuwa ang baby ah. Okay. That's enough. Daddy, that's enough, Daddy.
Okay. Come on.
Kasi alis pa kami. Tinry lang namin eh. First time niya sa ganyan. You like that? You like that, Eliana? Yeah! Diretso kami doon. How far is that from here?
I'm looking for it right now.
And ayun si Ellie, matutulog yan siya guys mamaya. Tulog na lang yan siya. Kasi hindi talaga siya natulog buong service. Gising na gising talaga siya.
Here it is. Right here.
Tapos nilabas ko siya kanina para tawag nito. Kasi nag-iingay siya. Siyempre ayoko naman ma-distract sila. Nilabas ko siya saglit para para tignan din yung diaper niya. Tapos palitan ko sana kasi hindi man din siya nagpupo. Tapos yun. So ayun, punta na kami sa may car show guys and we'll see you there. Ellie! Hold her tight ha.
Oh yeah. I got it.
Taray naman na ni Madam nakadress. Hello Ellie! Eliana! Pupunta kami doon, guys. Andun yung mga car na inaano nila. Car show. Daming ano ah. Ha? She's just looking at your shadow. Ellie! Hi, baby! Eliana! Nakalimutan namin ang baby carrier na naman. Mga makakalimuting magulang. Yeah. So, andito na nga kami, guys. Ito na yung mga sasakyan na pinarada nila dito, no? Ito yung mga, tawag nito, iba-ibang mga sasakyan na makikita nyo dito. So, hindi nila to binibenta. Kumbaga, parang, yun nga, pinapakita na lang nila sa iba. Yun nga, car show. Ano yung mga build nila, setup nila. Tapos, meron dito, napakaganda nung isang sasakyan dito. Feeling namin ng mahal ng nagastos niya. Ito rin, no, maganda rin tong blue na to, guys. Tingnan namin yung presyo niya. Sa ngayon daw, mahal na daw yung nito, presyo nito ngayon. Si Travis kasi mahilig siya sa mga car. So, alam niya kung ano yung model, ganyan. Alam niya rin kung magkano yung presyo ng mga car. Kahit nga logo lang ipakita mo, alam niya yan. Sabi niya, pwede nga din daw siya maging dealer. Nagtatrabaho sa dealership. So, ayan. Ang gaganda ng mga sasakyan nila, guys. So, parang feeling ko mga mamahalin talaga. Tignan nyo naman tong isa, oh. Diba? Lalo na tong green. Tignan nyo naman. Ang ganda ng green. Ang ganda ng kulay niya, guys. Tapos, meron naman ditong isa. Ito, ang ganda nito, guys. Pang princess ang datingan. Kumbaga, parang inayusan talaga nila to, no? Tignan nyo naman, oh. Meron pa nakalagay, princess parking only. Oh, pak na pak. Laki siguro din ang nagastos nila dito sa paglagay pala ng mga sticker. Ayan, pintura, di ba? Ang cute. Tapos, ayan, meron pa mga iba-ibang mga sasakyan. Ito, ang lupit ng bukasan ng pintuan, oh. Parang lilipad. Parang lilipad, no? Ito rin, guys, ang ganda rin ito. So, lumang model siya, pero maganda pa rin. Lalo yung pintura niya, parang minentain din talaga ng may-ari. Tapos, meron pa dito sa likod, guys. Doon sa likod, may mga sports car. And meron din ditong jeep. Iba-iba yung mga sasakyan nila dito. Magaganda yung mga sasakyan nila, no? Tapos, meron din ditong, ayan, yung nakaparadang jeep. Ang laki ng gulong, no? Pangmalakasan talaga, no? Tapos, ayun, maganda yung guys, so, yung puti doon, yung dalawang puti. Nagustuhan ko talaga siya. Tignan nyo naman. Mukhang malaking pera talaga yung nilagay ng may-ari dyan, ano? Kasi tignan nyo naman, pintura pa lang, di ba? Magastos na, tapos yung mga design pa. So, sobrang dami, guys, ng mga sasakyan dito ngayon. Madaming owners yung mga sumali. Kasi alam ko may mga parang fundraising din sila dito. Kasi bawat sasakyan nagbabayad yan sila at para, alam mo yun, para i-showcase yung mga sasakyan nila. Hindi dahil para ibenta. Para lang ipakita yung mga design nila, ganyan. Tapos may mga time din na meron silang business. Nilalagay nila yung business card nila sa mga sasakyan nila. Tapos meron din dito, may mga binibenta silang mga gamit, ganun. Yun yung mga ibang purpose nila. So marami pa dito, guys, mga iba-ibang sasakyan dito sa unahan. Meron din itong jeep na kulay blue, yung Rubicon, ang ganda niya. And ito, tignan nyo, meron pa mga iba-ibang mga sasakyan na magaganda rin talaga, ano. Tapos meron mga simpleng sasakyan din na nilagyan pa rin nila ng design, pero may isip mo talagang mahal pa din, no? Tignan nyo, ito yung Rubicon, Wrangler, diba? Tapos meron pa dito yung parang tawag sa ating kotseng kuba, oh. Diba? Tawag sa atin yung mga makalumang sasakyan nandito sa unahan, oh. Tapos ayan, oh, may mga food truck. Ewan ko, may food truck din sa unahan, eh. Tapos ito yung mga binibenta nila, guys. Ayan, mga mura lang yan kasi siguro yung parang bibenta lang nila talaga. Mga nagamit na rin na iba. So, ayan. Tapos, ayan nga, meron ngang mga food truck dito, guys. In case na yung mga taong tumitingin ng mga sasakyan, maguto, meron sila ditong mabibilhang pagkain. Hi guys! We're gonna go to Whole Foods! Punta kami ng Whole Foods, bibilan namin ng pagkain si Ellie ng kakainin. Ay! You're so happy! Oopsie! Si Miss Oopsie talaga, Teo. Oopsies! I love you. Mwah! Tuwan-tuwa siya, kay gagala na naman siya. Oopsies! Ang kulit daw din pag... Daddy niya. Ay. Nagtatago yung daddy niya. Peekaboo! Peekaboo, daddy! Peekaboo! Hi! Peekaboo!
What you doing?
Are we ready?
What are you doing?
Are we ready? Okay, let's go po! Let's go, guys! Oopsie! Naglawa! Grabe, nakakailang big ka talaga.
Put her in the stroll? Or
No, in a hip seat carrier. Alright, guys. Alis na tayo. Kasi 9 p.m. daw ang sarado. So, what time is it now, babe? 5?
Is it only
6? Yeah. Punta tayo doon, guys, and we'll see kung bihira kami makapunta ng Whole Foods, guys. Pero ngayon na nag-start na kumain si Ellie, baka doon na kami mamili ng ano niya, pagkain niya. Ng veggie niya, ganun. Alright, let's go, guys. I'll see you there. Okay, guys, nasa Whole Foods na tayo. So, siguro mga 10 minutes drive galing sa bahay.
It's really not too far.
At hindi siya busy dito. Ba't ganun man ang ano?
Which one? You mean up?
Yeah, masyado lang sigurong perfectionist
It
ang
won't
nanay.
stay up. You have it.
Na, tinanggal na.
She took it.
Dito na tayo. Pasok tayo mga guys. Tignan natin kung ano yung ano nila dito. Yeah, just a small one. Okay, nandito na tayo sa... Do you want some broccoli? What is that? Oh, beets? Meron sila ditong organic, beet. Madalas daw dito yung mga ano nila is organic. Pero medyo mahal nga lang din yung price kasi nga, yun nga. Oh, mura din naman ang banana nila. 49 cents. May watermelon sila, B. May papaya. I think papaya is fine with her. I think papaya is fine for her, right? Tapos meron sila dito, guys, na pumpkin.
Well, she likes squash.
She likes the squash. We can grab one. The small one. We can
Papaya.
bake it again.
So I just do a
So, we're gonna get papaya. The
small,
small one. Is that the small one? The smallest one? You like that,
Yeah, that's
Daddy?
fine. I don't know how to do it.
Oh, they have the... Ano? You don't have to cook it.
Oh, you just feed it to her?
Ripe. You should grab the ripe one.
Well, when are we feeding it to her?
Maybe in next
Will
few
this-
days.
Will this ripen in a couple days?
Oh yeah, just do that.
Okay. Yeah, so that gives us a couple days.
Yeah. And then, let's see.
Because this will
So,
be a
meron
week.
tayong-
This will be
yeah.
a week.
Sweet potatoes.
This is too small. This might not last a week.
You wanna grab one more?
Because she already ate
Squash
half
and
of the
papaya.
butternut,
Yeah, we can
and I
grab
baked
one
it
more.
Friday.
Right. Yeah, we can grab one more. And then there's the avocado right there. So, dadagdagan daw namin yung squash kasi malakas siya kumain ng squash. Tapos nandito yung avocado. Kuha tayo ng avocado. $5 sa isang bag. Yung hindi pa siguro ripe, no? Ito na lang. Let's just grab this, the other one.
Ooh, those are ready.
Marami din sila dito guys, mga nuts. So yung price nila medyo may kamahalan nga lang dito, no? Ooh, Ellen, they have some toys in here. They have some toys, but you've got plenty of toys now. Dito naman tayo sa may meat nila, guys. Ayan, yung meat nila. What is that?
Wow.
20% off with
Yeah,
Prime.
for chicken drumsticks. So like,
Yeah, we do have Prime though. Right there, chicken drumstick.
yeah. Where?
Right there, yeah.
Yeah, so these are.
So $5 and then 20 with 20% off.
There's only 6 of them in there, so 20% off. So yeah, not too bad, but still expensive because of what but they're organic.
But they're
so-
organic, yeah.
Well, the chicken
Look at that, Ellie. Do we have chicken breast?
thigh is on.
Oh, I need chicken breast.
The drumstick thighs or whole legs. Chicken thighs.
Oh, right there. Look, chicken breast. Because I'm gonna make sinigang.
Air chilled, boneless, skinless, and chicken breast.
Where is that?
This
Chicken.
one, it's thigh.
Right there, chicken breast.
Where's that? Yep. That's $5.60 a pound.
Per pound.
Yep. So, like if you were to grab one of these.
Yeah, how much is that? How many pounds?
Here, Bill and Evans. Yeah. So
How many
it's
pounds is that?
$11.99. So it'd be $5.60 a pound. So it says regular price is.
11.20.
This is $9.99 a pound. Where's the 6? It's this one that's on sale.
What is that? Ultra premium?
Yeah, 100% air chilled, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Regular price $6.99 a pound. Yep. So this was So it's $5 a pound. So it's 1 pound.
So probably around 7, 8.
It's like $8 for 3.
You want that?
It's up to you. You want to try it or what?
Yeah, we can try it. Then I'll make sinigang. Okay. Then we're gonna
That's
get
big,
the that's big. Organic one.
They have a smaller one.
No, just that big one. And we're gonna grab that then.
Sheep milk yogurt, full fat.
Okay guys, pauwi na kami. So pagkain lang ni Ellie, hinawad kami agad ng $44 dito sa Whole Foods.
So we didn't even get anything.
Yeah, and we only get few things. So expected na rin namin kasi mahal talaga dito sa sa Whole Foods. Eh. Tignan niyo naman, tinanggal niya na tinanggal niya na naman ang kanyang headband. So uwi na kami guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you again next time. Bye!